The Ford F-150 key fob battery is easily replaceable with a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This video covers 2018-2024 models. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, coin, or plastic pry tool. Since 2021, some models have enhanced waterproofing and LED indicators. Newer 2023 to 2024 models have more secure latches. Battery life is typically 2 to 3 years. Let's get started. First, ensure the vehicle is off and away from metal. Locate the notch on the fob's edge and gently pry it open. A slight twist might be needed for 2022 plus models. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side up. Install the new battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together, listening for a click. Test the lock-unlock functions. If unresponsive, reprogram using the Ignition or Ford's app 29 plus models. Avoid touching the circuit board. Work in a clean, dry area and dispose of the old battery properly. If issues persist, consult a dealer.